Hello everybody, my name is Maxim and I am from Kojik team. In this video, I want to show you how to manage the containers of your applications. Basically, containers are the tools that allow you to publish your applications. Let me show you this a bit more interactively. At first, we have our building container, which with the help of the build process creates a new version of an executable file, and afterwards, with the help of the deployment process, our app container, which consists of an executable file and all the data of the application, is restarted with the new version of an executable file which was created previously by the building process. Right now, I will show you how to manage the containers of your apps practically. So to go to the container management folder, you can click on the management page of any of your applications. And in here, you should go to this button and you will be redirected to the page. Another way to do this is by going to your subscription folder, choosing containers, and clicking manage my containers. So in this field, you will be asked to choose the company containers of which you want to manage. For example, my user account has only one basic container, while my another company has 5 containers, including 2 professionals. So what's the difference between a professional container, basic, and standard? The only difference is in operative memory. Basic container has only 1 gigabyte. Standard container has 2 gigabytes and professional one has 4. This is the only difference. So as you can see right now, all of these containers are empty, and basically to assign an app to a specific container, you just drag the app. So let's drag 5 random apps to those containers. So it works just like that. Just dragging, and that's all. So, for example, I have 10 apps and only 5 containers. If I want to run one more app, I should either buy more containers by clicking on buy a new container, or I can switch the apps. For example, I will stop test links app and I will start and run error handling app. So this is the way we do that. As you can see, there is no available container, and let's try to create and publish any new app. So we click on the block create new app, and let's just name it as a container test the blank app. We select the company that we're managing apps for. We create our app. Let's just wait for some time until it's generated. And right now, let's go to the development mode of our application and let's try to publish it. As you can see, you're not able to publish the app because it has no available container. And to do this, we can go to our container management page, and we need to do the same thing that we did before. So let's just deactivate publish mode of any other app and basically just drag our app. So we save the result. Our app is in the container, and let's go to its development mode again. Develop, and as you can see, the publish mode is available right now. I hope everything was clear for you. Thank you for your attention. Bye.